Hey YouTube, this is Last Resort Ever, and I'm giving you a bike check. I'm going to start from the top and go down. I got Colt Band grips. They're really nice, they're really grippy. I got Stolen Big Boy bars with 29 width and 8.25 rise. I got a Stolen stem. Stolen headset. I got Stolen Cyclone forks. They're like really strong. They've been through hell and back. I got Stolen front wheel. And then I got Stolen heat frame. And I got Stolen pivotal seat, Thermalite seat post, Shadow Conspiracy, half-link chain in white, 25-tooth sprocket in the front, Stolen crank, Thermalite pedals, 9-tooth driver, Stolen back rim, fit tire, and that's my bike check.